As a lash business owner of 11 years, I see a lot of the same type of Today we're going to be talking about why your lash business isn't growing and, more importantly, how to fix it. My name is Davina and I take beginner lash artists from trained to fully booked. If you feel like your lash business is not going in the direction that you would want it to, or it's not going there fast enough, then by the end of this video, you will understand why, and more importantly, what to do to get consistent clients. The reason why you are not getting lash clients is because everybody is doing the exact same thing. If you went onto somebody's page, typically you're going to get the exact same layout. You're going to see pictures and pictures of eyes or faces, and that is it. We look like clones. We all look the same. We're doing the same thing. We're showing up the same. And in order to be attractive, one must be different. I think people are afraid to have distinct positioning. Branding is something that we must be aware of, and it's something that we must harness. I love when I see a page that is unique to them. We are seeing a lot of wispy lashes, and wispy can be seen as a niche, but there are other niches that we can get into. And I would just love to see that level of creativity with different sets, colors, creative direction, how pictures are being taken. I love it when I fall on a page and I'm able to see something different than just a sea of faces. Being creative and being different will help you to stand out. Problem 2 is that you're not building trust. What I have also learned over my years is that people buy from people. So when you're selling lashes, you are selling trust. People need to trust you. And a lot of the time you'll hear people say, oh, I don't trust anybody near my eyes. I don't trust anybody around me with a pair of tweezers. Just because you're posting pictures of your lash sets does not mean that somebody's going to automatically trust you. Clients want to see you. They want to see you. They want to see your face. They want to see you on camera. They want to see you talking. They want to see you preparing. They want to even hear what you know. So the next time you think, oh, I'm just going to post a picture of my set, also think about maybe posting a picture of yourself, you know, your outfit of the day, getting ready to go into work, or, you know, post a video of you making tea, you know, them type of point of view. And you'll be surprised on how quickly you will grow when you start to think of your content as not just posting pictures of the lashes, but posting pictures of you. People want to see you because you're cute. Number 3 is that you're not making it easy to buy. This one really annoys me, and it annoys me because I feel like we are missing out on so much money. When you don't make it easy for a client to book with you, that's called friction. And that friction is what puts people off. And for you, you may feel like it's not that big of a deal, but from a customer's perspective, it really is. You know, we live in a very instant world. People want things now, give it to me now. If people have to wait more than 3 to 5 seconds for a response from you, that's already putting them off. So we want to make things as easy as possible. If you're instructing your clients to message me, DM me, oh, these are the times that I've got, and then there's a back and forth conversation about times, people don't like that. It is friction. In marketing terms, this is friction. It's off-putting. And I would really love for us to get out of this culture of making things difficult for customers when it really doesn't need to be. And I will bang on about online booking systems, because that is the future. People just want to be able to go online, know that they've done their thing and it's done. Whereas I've actually heard some lash artists say, yeah, but, you know, when I use an online booking system, they take a percentage, like, I don't know, 2-3% of the payment. So what? Because that is actually worth more. The amount of customers that you will lose, that 2-3% that they're charging is really going to be nothing in comparison to what you could actually bring in. So I love to see online booking systems, please. Thank you. Number 4 is that you are inconsistent. I have definitely seen students being really pumped and really excited, energetic, and leaving their lash course and posting and being active for 2 weeks. And then after that, it's just dead silence. Aww. And I get it, because sometimes the novelty of being a lash artist wears off, and sometimes it wears off quite quickly. But coming from somebody who's had this business, who's had a lash salon for 11 years, I can honestly tell you that consistency is key. And it's such a boring statement. It's so boring. Like, who wants to be slogging away for years? But that's the reality of the situation. Your consistency and how you show up. I mean, this is nothing new. This is not rocket science. The more you show up, the more you build trust over time. But I think that people fall off because they don't really have a solid plan. There is no business strategy involved. And I will talk about, and I will bang on, and I will stress that a business strategy and a plan is something that you need to have. Otherwise, you will fall off because you don't have a goal. If you approach this with business in mind, then you will do great in this industry. But if you teach it as a hobby, it will stay as that. I hope that the tips in this video has helped you to really understand why your business isn't growing, and more importantly, what you need to do to get consistent clients. Let me know in the comments on how you are getting on in your lash journey and in your lash business, and I will see you again in the next video. Happy lashing!